Solar radiation contains immense energy and serves as an inexhaustible green energy source. Solar HVAC systems help protect the environment, improve quality of life, and provide power for industrial production. Welcome to Deye HVAC, where sustainability and innovation go hand in hand. Our commitment to the environment complements our expertise in the field. Our state-of-the-art assembly lines are designed for efficiency and precision. With the help of advanced robotics, our team can quickly and accurately produce high-quality products. These robots work alongside our skilled technicians to ensure every product meets our high standards of quality and reliability. Before leaving the factory, all products undergo rigorous quality control inspections to ensure they meet our strict standards. Our quality control experts carefully inspect each product to guarantee customer satisfaction. In our research and development department, a team of experts is dedicated to continuous innovation, using cutting-edge circuit design software to develop groundbreaking solar HVAC systems. Our research and development team is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of innovation, focusing on environmentally friendly and renewable energy solutions for heating, cooling, ventilation, and water supply. At the same time, our international sales team is working diligently to bring our innovative products to customers worldwide.
Connecting the world through our sustainable energy solutions, fostering innovation and growth in green energy technologies, and building lasting partnerships for a thriving and eco-friendly global economy.
Join us on our journey to shape the future of photovoltaic HVAC. Together, we can make a difference.